This is a review of the Ivation battery-powered handheld portable shower. Inside the box, you'll find the submersible pump itself, a shower head, a brief instruction manual, a gasket to fit on the bottom of this with a hose to prevent leaks. This is the USB charging cable. One end is a USB port and the other is a pin plug that plugs into the pump to charge it. The pump itself has a battery built into it, and the battery is quite powerful. It will operate for up to 60 minutes of pumping action, and it's charged with 5 volts DC and 1.2 amps. The internal battery of the pump is 2,200 milliampere hours. It's recommended that you not charge it with a source that's really stronger than 1 amp, even though it does say 1.2 amps. And it will take between 2 to 5 hours to fully charge this battery to provide the 60 minutes of operation you're looking for. In addition, you'll find this charging cable here. This charging cable is 34 inches long. You'll find this water hose that conveys the water from the pump up to the shower head. Here you can see the hose. Like I mentioned, it's 71 inches long. This is a hanging bracket that you can hang on a wall surface using a suction cup, or you can take it and snap this hanging hook to hang it on a wall. That way when you're done you can lift this up and hang the shower head on the wall and use it like a real shower, or else you can just hang it there when you're done. You can see a protection cap with a string. You open this up like so and pull it out, and when you do, this is the charging port that this cable will plug into. We've already fully charged it, but I just wanted to point that out to you. In addition, here you have the off-on switch, which is designed to be water resistant, I'll say. It's what it says in the manual. It does have a cap on it so you don't bump it by accident. You really shouldn't run this when it's not underwater, because the water helps cool the pump inside of it. That's what the cap's for. It keeps you from pressing the button and turning it off and on. On the top here, you'll see this cover, and you snap this off. This is where the water would go into the pump. And what you'll see here is actually a little filter. I mean, if you're going to take this with you camping, or you're going to go overseas where the water may not be as clean as you'd like to see, this will trap some of the larger items, larger particulates, and keep it out of the pump and keep it from destroying the pump. This filter does need to be cleaned occasionally, and it's recommended that you clean it with clean water and some soap. And rinse it out thoroughly. A tapered fitting. And this tapered fitting is designed to go on this gray end, and you want to push it on like so until the hose goes over it. That little bump there helps create a very nice watertight seal. And then you want to move this up and screw it on there and tighten it into place. I want to point out that there is a rinse fitting on here you can use. Just remember that's plastic, don't tighten it too tight. And this little string holds this cap in place for the charging circuit. This is submersible. Don't lose this piece. You're going to need it to reseal it. And when you're done charging it, always put the lid back on. And when you get done, tighten it up so that it's waterproof and protects the electronics inside. I have it inserted, and I'm going to turn it like this. It locks into place. Leave that string on there, because that way you won't lose this cap. It's very important. The other end of the water hose. Here you see a gasket that comes with the unit. You want to tuck that in there like you would on a normal hose for your home. It creates a watertight seal. And now you want to put on this shower head here to be able to use it as a shower head. You want to screw on this shower head to be able to use this as a shower, and it creates a watertight connection, as you can see. See, I have the unit assembled. In this manner, you can take this and take a bucket of clean water, drop this into it, push the button and turn it on, and it'll start pumping water, and you've got a shower. This little device here is designed to fit together like so. You can see that. I can pull it up and it locks in place.